Is yogurt good for diabetes? Yogurt is a common edible item available in any Indian kitchen, specifically in southern part of India. Yogurt is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, great for gut health and digestion. But what about diabetes? Is yogurt good or not? Before we discuss further on this, it is to be noted that yogurt can be a great nutrient-dense breakfast option. An unsweetened and Greek-style yogurt has excellent rich number of proteins. This also implies that it has less carbohydrate content, which means yogurt won't cause the blood sugar spikes. What could be the better news for diabetic than this? However, the benefits of yogurt doesn't end here. Let us share you some of the more additional benefits. First, yogurt can help with obesity. Obesity can worsen with the condition of diabetes. Yogurt can help prevent this through its good bacteria called probiotics. Probiotics is fermented foods like yogurt. It improves the gut health. Gut health and other healthy functions of the body can play a key role in the control of diabetes. Second, yogurt translates in better insulin resistance levels. A research has recommended that eating yogurt is associated with lower levels of glucose and insulin resistance. Third, yogurt is low in glycemic index. Glycemic index, which is an important factor to decide whether one should consume a particular food or not, is in the favor of yogurt. This makes them ideal for people with diabetes. Types of yogurt. You will be amazed to know that there are a variety of options when it comes to yogurt. There are options like Greek, Icelandic, Australian, and many more. You may be wondering whether one style is more diabetes friendly than others. Let us talk about the three types of yogurt one after the other. Greek yogurt. It is important to note that Greek yogurt is thicker and creamier. It is because Greek yogurt is strained to remove the liquid. Therefore, the good news for people with diabetes is that unsweetened Greek yogurt can contain up to twice of the protein than the normal yogurt. However, it is important to look at the fat content of the Greek yogurt as well when you have diabetes. Experts say that choosing a low or non-fat Greek yogurt option is always better and safe. Icelandic. This kind of yogurt is strained even more than Greek yogurt. This makes it thicker and gives it even more protein. An extra benefit of Icelandic yogurt is that it is traditionally made from skim milk. This lowers the fat content. Australian. Australian yogurt is unstrained and therefore has a thinner texture. This is low in protein and has much carbohydrate content and is less sweet. Therefore, honey is often added to make this yogurt a little more sweet. Which to pick when having diabetes? While there are a lot of options for the diabetic friendly, it is important to check the figures at the back of the packet while looking for the number of proteins, fats, and the type of milk with which the yogurt is made. It is advisable to choose a plain yogurt and add the toppings you like by yourself to reduce the unnecessary sugar content that might go up in the body. When in diabetes, you can add various toppings including flax seeds, chia seeds, berries, strawberries, or plum. These natural nuts, seeds, and fruits are a lot better than the artificial sweeteners. Tips for yogurt. First, choose a yogurt that contains live and active cultures. Second, high protein and low carbohydrates is beneficial for diabetes. Third, choose flavor of the yogurt that has no more than 10 grams of sugar. Fourth, make it a habit to look at the nutritional content before buying the yogurt. Fifth, home cultivated yogurts are usually easy to prepare and healthy option as well. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting health updates.